Hi, this is Camille and the Studio Birds here with another tutorial. This one is for how to make a belly band, and a belly band is just a band that's used to hold a book closed. This is for one of my more recent books. It's called Sanctuary, and you can open it up and see how that all looks. So, easy thing to make a belly band, and this one is a belly band without any glue, which is nice too. So you just slip that right on the book, and there you have your belly band. So to begin, you'll just need a few materials. You'll need a pair of scissors and a pencil, and that's it. You want to cut a strip. You can use any kind of heavier paper to make your belly band. You want the belly band to be at least an inch wide, just for stability and strength. You also want your belly band strip to be the circumference of your book plus 6 inches. And more is always better in this instance. You can always trim off and cut off. Just gives you enough to work with. So we'll go ahead and start off with this book. We'll set the book down on the belly band, and to begin we're just going to put it on the middle of the band, and you're going to fold the band over towards the middle, and this is going to tell us how big and where you want the fold to be. So you're going to take and make a mark on where these two sides of the band meet. So you're going to make a mark on the bottom of the top band and on the top of the bottom band. And then you're going to cut them each in half. So that's why it needs to be at least an inch. You're going to cut this halfway, and then you're going to cut this other side halfway as well. Now you're ready to assemble the band, and to do that you're just going to take those two slits that you make and slide the band through, so you have one solid band, but you have these two tails, and we're going to just do a kind of a neat little thing with those tails to finish it off and make it strong. We're going to take the tail and fold it at a diagonal along that center where you had the two slits. Press it, fold it through to the back, press it again, and then bring it back around to the front and press it. You'll notice that that creates a little pocket up here, a little diagonal triangle pocket, and we're going to tuck this into the tail, into that pocket. And to do that we need to trim it off right a little bit less than the height of that band, and then we're able to just slip that right in there. Do the same thing on the other side. I like to alternate which way the diagonal goes, so this one I'm going to fold down, press the fold it towards the back, press that fold, bring it back towards the front, press that fold, measure, cut that slightly less than the width of your band, and then you're able to just tuck it in to that little pocket that you created. So there you have it, a belly band. This fits right over your book. I like to actually access the band by putting it on the back, the spine of the book first, and then coming up through and then sliding it on. You can see this book on my Etsy shop, as well as patterns and tutorials to how to make a lot of different artists' books. Thanks for watching.